If you're looking for the best engine oil stop leak, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have ATP Engine Oil Stop leak. When you notice that you've got a substantial engine oil leak, you probably want to resolve the issue quickly. ATP Engine Oil Stop leak additives are some of the fastest working products available. In addition to working extremely quickly, ATP is also an extremely versatile product because you can use it in most of your vehicle's major systems. It will also help fix leaks in power steering, transmission, front and rear differentials, and hydraulic systems. Many engine treatment additives contain solvents that can be harmful to engine parts. You won't find any of those harmful solvents in ATP products. If you have both gas and diesel-powered vehicles, you'll appreciate the fact that the ATP products will work with both gas and diesel engines. However, ATP Stop leak can dilute your oil, which will reduce your performance and potentially cause some blue exhaust. But if you're looking for a treatment with some seriously fast results, ATP Engine Oil Stop leak might be your best bet. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Liqui's Engine Oil Stop leak. Walk into any auto parts store and ask for an engine oil stop leak recommendation, and we can practically guarantee the first brand that's going to come up is Liqui's Oil. The Liqui's products are the top tier when it comes to vehicle system additives. What makes the Liqui's Oil Stop leak so impressive is that it can stop your engine from leaking, while at the same time actually improve its performance. Many other stop leak products will dilute your engine oil, and while those products might stop leaks, the dilution process will reduce your vehicle's performance. The Liqui's products don't dilute the oil, and as a result, you'll actually see increased oil pressure and better performance. Another reason that so many people turn to Liqui's for their stop leak products is that they're incredibly affordable, even when compared to other additives. Adding a bottle of Liqui's Oil Stop leak to your engine's oil system is much cheaper than taking your vehicle into the mechanic, and chances are they'd use the Liqui's products anyway. The number 3 position is held by Blue Devil Oil Stop leak. Blue Devil is a well-known brand in the car community. They have a wide range of vehicle additives, and they have a reputation for offering quality products. Their oil stop leak is no different. Part of the reason Blue Devil Oil Stop leak has a place next to the best additives on the shelf is that it uses the best ingredients in its stop leak formula. Many other engine oil stop leak products contain chemicals called petroleum distillates. You won't find these distillates in the Blue Devil product, which is good because while these petroleum distillates can rejuvenate rubber gaskets, they can also cause harm to your vehicle's other systems. In the long run, those issues can be more expensive to fix than your original oil leak. Those top ingredients also make Blue Devil products environmentally friendly and very safe to use. Finally, many users prefer this particular stop leak product because it will work in both gasoline and diesel engines. However, if you're using synthetic oil in your engine, Blue Devil might not be the best choice. Next at number 4, we have No Leak Engine Oil Stop leak. We'll go into more depth as to what causes oil leaks below, but the basic version is that rubber seals start to shrink and deteriorate over time. No Leak Engine Oil Stop leak helps fix oil leaks by rejuvenating those rubber seals and causing them to swell up, halting the leak in the process. Another symptom of leaking engine oil is excessive smoking, and No Leak Engine Oil Stop leak does an excellent job of eliminating that foul-smelling smoke. Using this product is a cinch, and it's very safe. Users tend to love this product because of its versatility. It can work with virtually any engine type, and it is very fast-acting. Finally, this additive can help stop leaks occurring at the rear main seal, one of the more difficult locations to get to on your vehicle's engine. The number 5 position is held by Bars Leak's Gray Rear Main Seal Repair. We mentioned that not all stop leak additives are created equal. As it turns out, neither are the problems they are meant to solve. One of the more complicated and expensive leaks to deal with on a vehicle is a leaky rear main seal. Repairing it can be quite expensive. Bars Leak's Gray Rear Main Seal Repair can help. While this product excels at halting leaks in the particularly stubborn area of the rear main seal, it also works great in other engine areas prone to leaking. This is another great product for drivers who may have vehicles with both gasoline and diesel engines, as it will work in both engine types. Bars Leak's gray rear main seal repair is also compatible with all oil types, including high mileage and synthetics. The number 6 position is dominated by Liqui's Oil 10279 Engine Oil Stop leak. Liqui's Oil has been a reputable name in car maintenance and repair, as well as a mainstay best engine sealant and additive list. It is back on our list, this time leading it with the Liqui's Oil 10279 Stop leak. This product can stop minor and major leaks. Its formula, which is free of harmful solvents, is composed of proprietary additives and specific base stocks. Foremost, it works hard to restore seals worn from corrosion or damage. At the same time, those who fear it may cause corrosion or damage to your engine have nothing to worry about. It is safe. As we said above, it is non-corrosive and non-clogging. Also, it can lessen engine noise and enhance engine performance. A 1-quart bottle of Liqui's Oil Engine Stop Leak is cheap enough that you won't have to spend what you save on gas. It is a value for money solution, especially if you're not looking at burning cash at the mechanic. In some cases where the seal is severely damaged, people reported about the product not working. So proceed with this leak sealant if you aren't dealing with a car in a terrible condition. Moving on to the next, at number 7 with Bars Leak's Engine Oil Stop Leak Concentrate. Not only jobs have to be taken to the mechanics, which can be expensive, some can be stopped by using a tried and tested sealant or additive from famed manufacturer Bars Leaks. The Engine Oil Stop Leak Concentrate is the stop leak contender from this company, and its special formula is designed to seal motor oil leaks due to either non-maintenance or old age. It doesn't stop at that, though. It can also restore the essential engine parts, your gaskets and seals. The effect is felt fast, and it can happen without harming your engine. This one does not contain particles to produce results, which may be a cause for concern for some people. Instead, it works chemically to restore seals to their smooth and elastic state. The 11-ounce bottle it comes in is enough to fill a light truck or passenger car. Results may be expected when you have reached around 200 miles or within 3 days of driving after the application. This size costs under $10. If this is not available, you may also try Bars Leak's main seal motor oil leak repair. The number 8 position is held by a 205 ATP Seal Leak Stopper 8-ounce, our 5th choice on our list of the best oil stop leaks. When faced with the choice of spending a few $100 on car repair or risking a small chunk of that amount, you might feel gravitated towards this product. The ATP 205 truly works in stopping leaks, and it's inexpensive as well. Finally, the number 9 position is dominated by Liqui Moly Oil Leak Stop. Liqui Moly supplies a flexible anti-leak product which may be employed on all diesel and gas engines. The liquid functions by cleansing and regenerating plastic and rubber seals and consequently prevents oil stains from forming beneath the automobile. The sealing activity will last for approximately 370 to 500 kilometers, which provides you sufficient time to drive into a service station and get the leak repaired. The fluid improves engine stability at high engine speeds and its viscosity at elevated temperatures. Additionally, it improves engine operation by avoiding excessive wear transmissions, pumps, and compressors. The product is suggested for all manual and additional transmissions. Regrettably, the product is not compatible with motorcycles with wet clutches. It is also not acceptable for vehicles with automatic transmissions, restricting its usage to old vehicles and heavy-haul tractors using auxiliary transmissions. That's all for today. We upload auto product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.